Hey, welcome to My Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today we're going to be cooking on this little ZGrills 700D3. The first cook on this, I've already done the burn off on it. It's brand new. I did a reward crowdfunding video. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave an iCard up above, and I'll also leave the video at the end where you can just click on the video and go check that out. It's very interesting, totally makes sense, and it's such a great deal. Anyway, so today the first cook on this, after doing the burn off, I'm doing avocado stuffed jalapeno poppers. So I know I've been on an avocado kick lately, and so what I've done is, instead of putting cream cheese and cheese inside the popper, I put guacamole or avocado, smashed avocado up inside there. And you know, I just loving avocados. I know not everybody loves avocados. I've had comments before when I've used them. And anyway, boy, that grill performed awesome. So let's go inside. I'll show you how I made these, and then once we get it all cooked up, then of course I'll come out and do a taste test. Check this out. All right, jalapeno poppers. If you haven't seen me make them before, I cut the top off because I don't eat that, and we're gonna wrap this and eat the whole thing. You can leave it on there if you're careful and you don't eat the stem. Well, I don't know, this one here looks pretty hot. It's got all them stretch marks on it. Let's see. Put the lid on your tongue. Yeah, that's going to bring some heat. Alright, so what do? Cut them in half. Take the seeds and membrane out. Alright, got the jalapenos prepared. Store-bought avocados, because like the title says, we're having avocado stuffed jalapeno poppers, and I've been on this avocado kick, so I'm doing as many avocado videos as I can think of right now. If you don't like avocados, well, thank you for watching. Alright, so basically we're going to just make some guacamole-ish out of these avocados so that we can stuff the jalapenos with it. And hey, we gotta have some cheese in there, so we're gonna use some that's 4 cheese Mexican cheese. Okay, then we're just going to stuff them. Take your jalapeno, take your avocado. Alright, then we're just going to take them, wrap them in bacon. I like to start down a little ways on the pepper, and then give it a little tug as you're wrapping. It'll stay. Okay. 1 whole piece of bacon. Okay, I have this ZGrills 700D3 running at 300 degrees, and I'm going to run this for probably, I'm thinking about an hour and a half to 2 hours. We'll see how it goes. 300 degrees, they might cook faster. These 4 in the center were some that I had left over from the other day. They're ice cold. I'm gonna just reheat them. Poppers have been going for an hour and 45 minutes. And I'm gonna say they look pretty done to me. Stuck on there. Well, pretty low. Think of that, those are the avocados. I did make some with cream cheese because I had a request for those. These are what I'm interested in. I'm going to let these cool off, and we'll talk about it. There you go. ZGrills 700D3. It's part of the reward crowdfunding. I'm telling you, you got to check it out. Especially if you're in the market for a pellet grill, or you know anybody that's in the market for a pellet grill. I mean, get a ZGrill for the next 50 years. All right, so enough of that. Avocado stuffed jalapeno poppers. Let's give it a try. That is pretty darn good. Oh man. And, well, I made a few with cream cheese. Just Elizabeth wanted those, which is totally fine. I wanted the avocado ones, and I got to tell you, they're fantastic. These are actually with store-bought, not my mom's. So go to the store, get you some ripe avocados, smash them up, add a little salt, pepper, garlic, some 4-cheese Mexican blend cheese to it. Stuff your jalapenos, wrap them and bake them. Cook them 300 degrees for an hour and 45 minutes on this ZGrills 700 D3, and enjoy them. I'm going to go enjoy them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And hey, hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.